Hi, this is an out of the box review, and today we're gonna review the Parkside cordless soldering iron. I bought it and I was buying it 1 year ago from Lidl stores for a price of 15 euros. You may find it with a price tag between 15 to 20 euros. The product has a 3-year warranty. And let's see what's inside the box, what you will get with the package bundle. You will get a plug-in adapter for your network, for your car network. It's only connectable and you have to have a USB 2.0 cable. You'll get a really nice thing. This is a really nice thing. I like the design. This is a charging dock station. It's only connectable with a USB Type-C, as you can see. So it has a USB Type-C socket. You will get also the needed cable. At one end you will have USB 2.0, as you can see, and at the other end you have the USB Type-C termination inserted in your plug-in adapter and in your charging dock station. Let me plug it in the adapter, in the network adapter. Okay, what's inside of the box? You have the device. This is the iron, the proper device, the proper upper rail. The needle, this is the head of the device. I call this a needle. This is, like you see, a screwed needle. At the bottom it has a screw shape. This is a threaded. Screw it inside and fix it well. Okay, this is well fixed. At the front part of the device, as you can see, you have an USB Type-C input and a flashlight, a flash spot. As you can see, it's quite bright. It's a good light, and it helps you, like you can see, it helps you with your illumination of your working area. It's a good light. It's really helpful, and it's quite bright. I like the idea of a charging dock station with the shape and the form of a stand, like standing position to have. Is really nice. When you are taking a break from your work, you can put your device, you can put the iron to hold on and to stand on your standing charging dock station. When you're putting it on, it's gonna charge. You must, like this. The red color indicates that it's on charge. This is charging right now. When it's done with the battery charge and the battery is fully charged, it's gonna turn from it's gonna switch from red color to green color. Okay, let me tell you something, like an advice. For the first time, when you're using it for the first time, I recommend you to use a sandpaper and to rinse and to brush a little the head of the needle. As you can see, for the first time it has a really nice shiny nickel or steel layer. It's not too grippy, so you will expect problems with the first time usage. Like first time you will use it, I recommend you to use a sandpaper and to rinse like this the head, the top of the needle. In this way you will get a good adherence and a good grip for your first time using. Also, keep in mind, clean your needle, clean your head. Always after you are done with your work, clean it and keep it clean. So you keep it prepared, ready to use for your next time. By always clean it. I recommend a metal sponge. Put some water, a few drops of water, and clean good your head, your needle of the device. I like the form and the shape of the and the body of the iron. It has a pen shape. It's really nice. It's lightweight. It's not too heavy. It's nice to keep in your hand and to work with one hand. It's very handy. It has two LED indicators, one at the top, and also here you have the switch on off button like this. At the bottom you have the second LED indicator. This is showing you when the temperature of the device is achieved and you are ready to use the device. This is the action, the proper action button. This is the real action button. You have to press it continuously to be able to work and to use your soldering iron. So when you want to use it and solder and stick your wires and do your work, you have to continuously press. When it's not when the device it's cold and it's not hot, it's not warm up, the LED is gonna be red. When it's ready to use and it's warmed up and the heat is achieved, in my opinion, the heat up temperature is gonna be like 30 to 350 360 Celsius degrees. That's the melting point of soldering and other melting materials used for soldering and sticking wires and metal parts. Right now you see the green light. We are ready to use. The needle is very hot. Pay attention, it's very hot and it's quite warm. In overall, the body it's not heating up. You don't feel too much heat on the body. This is really nice. This is excellent. So the body it's not conducting the heat to the body. This is really nice quality. Really nice shape and form and design. I really wanted to show you like the device. You can scroll it, and as you can see, scrolling it on sides, it's not touching, the needle is not touching surfaces. But although this fact, don't approach it to plastic parts, objects. You may burn them and you may create holes and you may damage different other objects. Pay attention. Pay attention to your skin. As you can see, the needle is at the top is very sharp. You may stick your fingers, you may burn your hands. And pay attention, be cautious, and don't forget that it's not a toy. This is a really good device. It's good build quality, and I really recommend it to have it in your house for daily usage and household needs and everyday needs. This is very good, and it's a good professional tool. It's a good tool to have it. This is a good device to have. It's helpful, and I personally I don't need a professional tool. This is a nearby professional tool. The quality is very good. It's a great quality, great price. I really like it. I really recommend it. The missing point, the minus point, could have different needles, shapes, and different thickness. It could be thinner and different thickness. Uh, you can find them because they are scribble. You can find them on the internet on different Chinese electronic parts. Also, a minus, they didn't include a resin pasta. Raisin pasta that is very useful and helps you cleaning the needle. But you can find the rosin